Guys, I'm back, and we are playing a game, and we are gonna make someone do the funniest thing ever. Bro, turn up the TV. We're turning up the TV so you guys can see it.
Yeah, we're just playing zombies.
It's so freaking funny. So, we're back, and better than ever. So, I'm gonna make him do it now. Hey, can you make the most annoying sound you've ever done in the whole world? Like, super annoying and super loud and super fast. Like that, okay?
Come on. Allie, close your eyes. Your friend's here.
Oh, God.
I have your blueberries.
It's hilarious.
Can you do that same thing again, please? And save me, save me, save me!
You won't get blueberries ever again.
Oh, shit.
Did you die?
No. No, dude.
Say something.
No, we didn't. But can you do that same thing that you were doing? Right now, like 3, what?
Is that tight? Honey. I'll help you here. What are you doing?
Frick.
Oh, it's a disco party.
Can you do that noise again that you were doing?
No, my throat
Dude, that's hilarious. It's funny. And mean at the same time.
Can you do it that won't hurt your throat? Can you do a noise that will not hurt your throat?
Please, so I can kill you.
Please?
Wait. Close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes. My eyes are closed. My eyes are closed. Open up. They're open.
Can someone just do a funny noise, like a loud noise, and go,
Close your eyes.
"Ooh!"
And say, I like.
No, I don't want to shut up and play.
Close your eyes. Is that true?
I'm not going to shut up and play.
You don't talk to me like that, buddy.
You don't talk to me like that. God dang it, bro.
Close your eyes.
No.
Move your hair. Move your
Hide
hair.
and seek.
Move your hair.
Pineapple Gale 02.
You're stupid.
Can someone just make a noise, please?
It's not in my eyes, honey. Honey.
Oh, that's hilarious.
God darn it. Frick.
Justin, say you're stupid, bro.
No, Kelly.
Like, that was like really funny, but can you do it again, like a louder and
Say I see
funnier?
Bruce.
Close your eyes.
Say I
Callie,
see
close
Bruce.
your eyes. Honey.
Oh, the big guy. The big guy.
And I always see the big gosh thing.
That was really funny.
How about
And we're still making this video. That's a lot. This is like the longest video I've done yet.
No,
Cast
that's
up.
not true.
So,
Hi.
ah, monster!
Ouch.
Wait,
Wow, that guy's.
can someone like help someone? We're dying. Pineapple Gale 2.
No, that guy's actually helping.
Close your eyes.
Ah,
Callie, close your
honey.
eyes.
Ah!
Okay, so let's
Oh,
just do it on my feet.
Oh,
Try my feet. Really good. Trip.
Oh, crap. We're not an animal.
I'm not gonna slip.
We're gonna die, bro.
See, we're not an animal because of your life.
We're out of ammo because of your life. See you guys. This was a funny video. So, bye. Please subscribe and bye.